Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sonni Reviews It. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I label my wet body butter jars and my candle tins using this cup tumbler cradle holder. And it has adjustable widths, so it works for different size jars, candle tins, and tumblers. And it has been a game changer for me because it holds the jars and tins in place so they don't roll around while I'm applying the labels. And as you can see right here, it adjusts easily to the different sizes. Now, what I'm going to be showing you first is the first thing I do, and that's to actually wipe the jars down with alcohol. I wipe them all down except this one right here, and I'm gonna just show you how to do it. And I just put a little bit, like you see right here, a little bit of alcohol in a napkin. And the reason that I do this because it removes the oils, fingerprints, and residue so the labels will stick properly and don't lift over time. So I just kind of gently wipe around. And I wipe the bottom and the top of it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use that one because you usually want it, to dry for a couple seconds. So I'm going to use one that I've already wiped off and cleaned off. And I just sit it here real snug. And I have these labels that I did. I printed my labels up using Avery, using the Avery paper. And this one right here I'm using is the 8160. And I kind of just take my time and position it right over top of the jar. See, I kind of just try to get it as perfect as you can. And right here I got the this label protector, and these will protect the labels and it'll keep them looking neat and long lasting, and it seals the labels so it don't get smudged or oil from your hands or water exposure or anything. It really does protect the labels really well. And this step really gives your product that store quality finish once you protect the label and put the label protector on it. Okay, and then you just kind of rub it real snug on there. Okay. Okay, now this one is all the way dry because the alcohol dries really quick. And I'm just going to show you it. Another one, take another label off. And I love using Avery too. I love using, because their website is actually good to use. It's very easy. It's not that hard to make the labels. Again, and this right here, this really does protect the labels really, really well. And what I'll do is I'll link all the products that I use in the description. So if you would like to purchase them from Amazon, I will link them all in the bottom. So you can just click on the link if you see anything in this video that you may want to use. Okay, now that's snug. Okay, now I'm just showing you how any jars that you can kind of put on here that's not too huge or not too big, how it really is really a game changer, and it really helps. Because I used to just do the jars, just hold them in my hand and try to, and at times the label would go on really crooked, and this way it's just sitting there. You put the label, see how it's neat, and just put it on there. And these label protectors, they work really well. You see how easy they come off. They tear off really easy. And actually 500 labels come on a roll, so it will last a while. And see how easy this is, and it just gives your product that nice professional finish. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. And the nice thing is always centered. You never have to worry about it not being centered. And as you can see here, they tear off so easy. It's not like you gotta, it's not hard to like tear off, or even to peel it off. It's not hard at all. And I'm doing this with my gloves on. It's not not difficult at all. See, and I just kind of smooth it down really well just to make sure it's on there tight. Okay, now I'm showing you actually a bigger jar. And now I'm going to use here a little wider label. And this is the 22806 Avery label. And just center that. Get it as close to perfect as I can. Now this right here is a wider label protector that I use. And I'll link both of these down in the description. And both of the label protectors, the rolls come in 500. So you have 500 label protectors on a roll. And this one right here, this is a wider one. This is 4 inch by 2 inches. 4 inches by 2 inches. And the one that I used prior to that one was 3.5 inches by 1.2 inches. Now this right here is my candle. I'm going to show you this one. Now this, I actually also use the 8160 label for this one. Now for the candles, I won't be putting the protector on there. One, because the jar does get kind of warm and heated up when the candle is burning, so I would never put the label protector on there. I'm just showing you how easy it is to label the candles, and I usually put it on both sides of the jar, one on the back and one on the front. And this cradle holder, it actually has foam on it, so it won't scratch up. It won't scratch a jar, or it won't scratch anything. It's actually really soft. Okay. And now you can see how easy that was, labeling that. And here I'll just show you the inside of the candle. Yep. And here go the wider labels. Like I said, that this is the 4 inches times 4 times 2 inches, and this is the 3.5 inches. Then go to alcohol. So you're just kind of showing you how easy that was and how quick that was. And just kind of show you a view of the whole thing and how easy it is to adjust it. So everything is actually linked in the description below. And I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed the video, can you please like, subscribe, and share? And again, thank you so much for watching this video.